Making his way to the ring, Axiom, Nathan Frazier. His tag team partner is in here tonight, but this is a qualifying match to see who's going to fight Firebolt at the Royal Rumble. One had already made it, and that was Tony D'Angelo with that quick roll-up cheating against Johnny Gargano last week. Now, he's in for a big challenge, probably the biggest of his career, Axiom. He's going to be fighting Roman Reigns. No way. Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 305 pounds, Roman Reigns. And that's all muscle on him, all the 305 pounds. He's a beast. I don't know how Axiom's gonna beat him here tonight. Axiom's half the size of him. You're the size of my leg. I can't wait to beat you and win back my championship at the Royal Rumble. Ring that bell. They're looking to start to lock up, and they are, but oh, Roman just knocking him down already. I'm sorry, Axiom. You just standing in my way. Of me and my championship, Axiom. Oh, he's just punching him. Roman Reigns just punching him. Oh, now bringing him out more, elbowing him in the head. Picking him up now. Axiom getting thrown into that corner. Oh, with a big Superman punch. Roman Reigns is hoping to get that title back. Two of his enemies are out right now. Seth Rollins and... ooh, with that big Superman punch. And Cody Rhodes, the two that have beat him before, actually. Oh, just punching him even more now. Roman looks like he's trying to take a little break, but you don't keep your eyes off of Axiom. Uh-oh, from the top, what is he gonna do now? Oh, what is he hoping? But Roman just throwing him back. Going for this pin right here. Here is your winner. I'm sorry, Axiom. I had to get it done fast. Roman Reigns. Don't worry, we'll be back in a second for the second match, and we'll see the four who are in this match. So far, it's Tony D'Angelo versus Firebolt and Roman Reigns for that championship. The last match before the Royal Rumble match. The next video will be that fight at the Royal Rumble with Firebolt, and then the Royal Rumble match. And the Girls Royal Rumble too will be after this match. And the main event will be the Men's Royal Rumble. Look at Solo Sikoa, the seriousness on his face tonight. He's ready to beat somebody. Making his way to the ring, Ilya Dragunov. Ilya Dragunov here tonight is here to do some business. He's going crazy. He's ready to win this match. I just want to punch. Oh, big punch. Ring that bell. Just grabbing him by his arm already. Oh, no. You know that he's good at... oh, not that arm. Ooh, Solo's arm must hurt. His arm now, but no. Oh. Now Ilya Dragunov just punching him in the face. Ooh, just hitting him with those chops. You ready? Oh my god. Oh, he's gonna do it again. No. Oh. Oh no. Ooh, that must hurt really bad. Oh, with that big chop to the chest. This is insane. Uh-oh. He's gonna get him now again. Not another chop. Ooh, another one. No way. Uh-oh, no, no, no. Shh. Run into the ropes and back. Oh, big kick to the face. Oh my gosh, did you just hear the sound of that kick? No way. Look at his chest, it's all red. Oh, he's going to the top rope. Ilya Dragunov now. Uh-oh. Oh, with this finisher, the Mad Dragon. Oh. Here's your winner of the match. The Mad Dragon. Ilya Dragunov. He will be fighting in the next video, the Royal Rumble. Before the Royal Rumble match will be a very important match. It will be for the WWE Championship with Firebolt, Ilya Dragunov, and Roman Reigns, and Tony D'Angelo. This is gonna be insane. Elimination match, by the way, too. I am going to take that WWE Championship away from you, Firebolt. I am so sorry. The other three, I will eliminate them each round.